Now I love a cheese toastie, but I also like French toast. So I thought of a great idea to combine them together. Why not make savoury French toast? Now into a bowl, I'm going to crack 3 Sunny Queen free-range eggs. You want to use good quality eggs for this, and you can see how fresh they are. They've got that vibrant orange colour in the yolk. And once you crack them, we need to whisk them. Now, instead of adding salt to this, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese because it's salty enough and it's also going to give us a lovely crust on our French toast. So just with a fork, we'll whisk that and continually whisk this until it all comes together. And now I'll add a small sprinkling of Parmesan cheese that I've freshly grated so it looks like a crumb. Whisk that again. And that is done. Now for the toast component, I'm just using some white bread for this, and I'm going to cut off the crust with a serrated knife. So we'll just make sure that it's all lined up so we get that perfect square. And don't throw away these crusts because these crusts make fantastic breadcrumbs when they dry out. So we'll put them on the side. And now for the cheesy filling, I love the addition of some Dijon mustard, but you can leave this out if you like. And then for the cheese, use whatever cheese you like, but you want a cheese that melts really nicely, like mozzarella, cheddar works, or I have some Gruyere cheese. Now you can fill it up quite generously, and then we'll pop the lid on. In a large non-stick pan, I'll add just a small amount of extra virgin olive oil. And then for French toast, you have to fry it in some butter. So a few knobs of butter, and we'll allow that to melt away. While that's melting away, press on the bread a little more. Don't be afraid to put some pressure on it because you do want it to stick. And then we're going to just dunk this into a yummy egg and Parmesan mixture so it's coated all over. Now drain off the excess egg and then place it into that hot butter. Now this is going to cook on a medium heat for about 2 minutes on each side. Just turn it a few times just to ensure that we get a golden colour and so it doesn't burn. Okay, now this eggy bread is ready. You can see that the egg has set, so it's almost like scrambled eggs on the outside and gooey cheesiness in the centre. Just flip this one more time. Take it out, and then I'm just going to cut this into triangles, and then we've got that gooey centre. Oh, that is probably the ultimate cheese toastie you could have in the morning. Definitely not for every day, but on a Sunday morning, why not? Cheesy French toast. Is there anything better? I think not.